Perfection in every spin, effortless by design, powerful centrifugal force, stops instantly with a touch, fresh and crisp, simplified.
Do you get tired of soggy salads or spending too much time drying vegetables with paper towels? The OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is designed to make washing and drying fresh produce faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out. Features. One of the biggest highlights is the one-handed pump. Simply press the large, soft pump to spin the basket at high speed, removing excess water from lettuce, spinach, herbs, and other leafy greens. The built-in brake button stops the basket instantly, allowing you to remove your vegetables without waiting. The basket also works as a colander for washing fruits and vegetables, while the clear outer bowl can be used as an elegant serving bowl for salads. The non-slip base keeps the spinner stable during use, and the lid locks flat for compact storage. Pros. The OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is incredibly easy to use and saves a lot of time during meal preparation. It dries leafy greens efficiently, helping salad dressing stick better instead of sliding off wet leaves. The pump mechanism is smooth and comfortable, requiring very little effort. Another advantage is its versatility. Besides drying lettuce, it's excellent for washing berries, grapes, herbs, and many other fruits and vegetables. Cleaning is simple, since the basket and bowl can be rinsed quickly after use. Cons. The only real downside is that it takes up some cabinet space because of its size. If you rarely eat salad, who should buy it? This salad spinner is perfect for anyone who regularly prepares fresh salads, washes fruits and vegetables, meal preps during the week, or enjoys healthy eating. It's also a great choice for families and home cooks who want to save time in the kitchen. Final verdict. Overall, the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is one of the best kitchen tools for washing and drying fresh produce quickly and efficiently. Its durable design, easy one-handed operation, and versatile bowl make it an excellent addition to almost any kitchen. If you'd like to check today's price, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets.